Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, November 30, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a promising investment opportunity, classifying it as a buy candidate with a score of 2.09. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. It has shown a positive gain of 2.61%. This means that on average, it has delivered a return of 0.15% per day since it was labeled as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the recent 3-month trend, there is a projected 12.07% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a potential return ranging from 3.68% to 19.45%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend indicates a significant 164.43% change. This translates to a potential return between 150.98% and 200.05%. In terms of price, it could reach a range of $821.08 to $981.61 in 1 year. Our latest update on Meta reveals that the stock has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, November 30, 2023, the Meta stock price experienced a decrease of 1.52%, going from $332.20 to $327.15. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 3.44%, ranging from a low of $322.40 to a high of $333.50. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of 1.67%. Although the volume of shares increased by 6 million on the last day, it occurred alongside falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, and there may be a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $7.02 billion worth of Meta shares were bought and sold, amounting to 21 million shares. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $342.92, while the lowest price was $112.46. Currently, the price is 4.6% or $15.77 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 14.88% or $57.18 below the all-time high, which occurred on September 1, 2021, when the price reached $384.33. Analyst ratings. On Monday, November 20, 2023, B. Riley Securities rated Meta as neutral with a hold action. Also on Monday, November 20, 2023, Wedbush gave Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. Wells Fargo, on Monday, November 20, 2023, assigned Meta an equal weight grade with a hold action. Goldman Sachs rated Meta as buy with a hold action on Thursday, October 26, 2023. Additionally, on Thursday, October 26, 2023, KeyBank gave Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Meta stock a general buy rating. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price to book, which are both rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more neutral rating. Let's analyze the signals for Meta stock. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. As the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, it gives a positive outlook for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance around $335.68 from the short-term moving average. Conversely, if it falls, support may be found near $321.02 from the long-term average. A breakout above the short-term average would indicate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average would suggest a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, indicates a buy signal. However, some negative signals have also been observed, which could impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, resulting in a decline of -4.20% so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is identified. Notably, volume increased during yesterday's price decline, which may serve as an early warning signal that requires closer monitoring. Today, let's explore some interesting signals. Moving average convergence divergence, it's a buy signal. Pivots, it's a sell signal that occurred 6 days ago. Bollinger, it's a buy signal that occurred 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, it's a sell signal that occurred 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, it's a buy signal that occurred 22 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, it's a buy signal that occurred 18 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, it's a sell signal that occurred 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, it's a buy signal that occurred 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, it's a buy signal that occurred 218 days ago. If you want to find more signals, head over to our page at StockInvest.us. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Let's start with the downside. Meta's stock has found support just below today's level at $298.67 and $297.74. When a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $298.67 is broken, the next support level will be at $297.74 and $288.35. It's important to note that Meta has average movements during the day and good trading volume, which puts the risk at a medium level. In the last day, the stock moved $11.10 between its high and low, representing a 3.44% change. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.24%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Meta, let's begin by exploring some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a critical measure that compares a company's current share price with its per-share earnings. Meta's P/E ratio is within the range typically observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 7, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report stand at $4.75. It is important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for Meta. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $327.82. If you don't currently hold any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this level could be a suitable option for swing trading. On the other hand, in case of a downward movement, Meta encounters its first support level at $298.67. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Meta is buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Zuckerberg Mark. He bought and sold a total of 9,530 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -69.856. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 35,875 shares and sold 203,929 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $313.61, which represents a decrease of 4.14%. Given that this stock experiences medium daily movements, the level of risk associated with it is also medium. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 5 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe that Meta stock presents a promising buying opportunity in the short term. Several positive signals, combined with an overall positive trend, indicate that the stock may perform well. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Meta stock is undervalued. Looking ahead to Friday, December 1st, we anticipate Meta stock to open at $0.535 higher than its previous closing price, starting the day's trading at $327.68. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. As a precautionary measure, we strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please refrain from solely relying on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement by commenting below. We're also curious about your target for the stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.